Good morning, dear students. Unit 4 Rain, 8th Storm in the Garden will do the textual exercises of these two lessons. Before starting, you take out your books and open page 58. All of you take out your books and open page 58. Now here is a crossword and you have to do this. Fill in the letters to complete the crossword puzzle. Use the picture as clues. Now here some pictures are there. You have to see the picture and complete the word. Now first picture is of S and W. Between these two letters, what will come? Snow. Picture is of snow. Now next is cloud. Then here it is dust. Here it is moon. And here it is star, and the middle one is the light. So try to fill letters to complete the words. Now see the answers. SNOW snow, WIND wind, CLOUD cloud, LIGHT light, TUST dust, STAR star, MOON moon. Do it in your book. Now page number 59, fish tank. Look at this fish tank. Write 3 sentences on what you see. Draw some more creatures in this tank. Now here one fish aquarium, fish tank is given. You have to see what you can see and you have to write 3 sentences what you have seen in this fish tank. Answer: I see many fish swimming in the water. I see lots of green plants in the water. I can also see some stones at the bottom of the fish tank. This also you have to write in your book. Now next question. Let's sing. Question: the words away, day, play are rhyming words. Now color the words that rhyme with. The words which give the sound of I and in with red, DOW and down with down, yellow, NOT not with blue. So you have to color the words which rhymes with in red, down in yellow, and not in blue. Now see the answer. Pin, spin, tin, fin. These all are in red. Rhymes in. Now next one is down. Down rhymes with frown, brown, clown, gown, drown, crown. And not, blue, not rhymes with not, dot, spot, pot, hot, caught. Do this exercise in your book. Let's write. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks from the given words. River, pond, sea, lake. These are all water bodies. Now after seeing the picture, you have to write this picture is of river, pond, sea or lake. Now the first picture, the ship is sailing on the sea. This picture is of sea. Next, the dash flows from the mountain. This picture is of river. So, the river flows from the mountain. Next, the duck is swimming in the dash lake. So, the duck is swimming in the lake. This picture is of a lake. The frog lives in the pond. This picture is of pond. So, write these words in your book. Next question. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. Pick the right word from the box. Now you have to see in this picture the position of the cat. Where is the cat? And then you have to write the correct word. The cat is jumping dash the wall. Which word will come? Over. The cat is jumping over the wall. Next, the cat is dash the box. Where is the cat? The cat is in the box. The cat is dash the door. Now cat, in this picture the cat is behind the door. So which word will come? Behind. The cat is behind the door. The cat is dash the stool. Now cat, where is the cat? In this picture the cat is under the stool. The cat is dash the suitcase. Where is the cat now? It is on the suitcase. So the cat is on the suitcase. Now here the answers are given. The cat is jumping over the wall. The cat is in the box. The cat is behind the door. The cat is under the stool. The cat is on the suitcase. We'll do more in the next class. Bye.